म्हापशे शाराची उदरगत करपा खातीर पालिकेन सुमार 2 कोटी मोडून 3 येवजण्यो चालीक लायल्यात. नगराध्यक्ष सुधीर कानोळकारान ही म्हायती दिली. सेंट मेरी हायस्कूल आशिल्ली पोरणी बिल्डींग 1 कोटी 36 लाख मोडून सारकी करतले. ते बिल्डिंगेन पालिकेचे ऑफिस व्हरतले.
ते आता परत आमचो अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टर बाबू फ्रांसीस डिसोजा हेणे आमकां ताका ग्रांट दिल्ले आहा आनी तेचो आयज टेंडर आमी काडून तेची वर्क ऑर्डरूय दिवन आयज फावंडेशन घालून कामाक सुरवात केल्ली आहा. हो टेंडर आहा तो 26 लाखाचो आहा आनी 18 म्हयन्यान 180 दिसान ते काम तो कंप्लीट करतलो. म्हणजे म्हापसाचे उदरगतीक लागून ह्या गव्हर्मेंटान आतां टास्क फोर्स केल्लो आसा. तेजें नोटिफिकेशन बी येल्लें आहा. तेचें काम चालू जातलें आनी हे आतां ते चाचा नेहरू पार्क हे काम चालू जालां पळय आनी ते फाटल्यान व्हरपाक एक्सपान्शन करपाक जेणे करून थंय आनी कितें तरी सोय पब्लिकेक उपलब्ध करपाक ती जागा हेच्या अंडर घेवपाक म्हाजी खटपट आसा. फाटल्या हेका आमकां गव्हर्मेंटा कडसून गोल्डन जुबली इयर हेच्या अंडर 2 करोड ग्रांट्स मेळ्ळे. तेतले हे आतां एक्झिस्टींग बिल्डींग रिनोवेशन करपाक जो आमी आतां टेंडर काडला तो 1 करोड 36 lakhs 51,361 इतल्याचो हो टेंडर आमी आतां काडलेलो आसा. टॅक्सी स्टँड हा म्हापशाचे पळय मेन आदी ते पयलींचे बस स्टॉप पण आतां टॅक्सी स्टँड म्हणून फेमस जाल्ले ते आमी रिनोवेट करपाक घेतलेले आहा. तेचो ऑलरेडी टेंडर फ्लोट केल्लो आहा. हेचो व्हॅल्यू आहा 18 लाख रुपया. आतां कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हे करून हे प्रोसिजर करून जवळ जवळ 15 दिसांनी ह्या कामाक सुरवात जातली.
टॉटनहॅमाचो मॅनेजर बदल्लो आनी इंग्लीश प्रीमियर लीगाचो स्ट्रायकर रॉन रिकेट्साच्या करियराचीच वाट लागली. इंग्लंडाच्या सिनियर पंगडात तो केन्नाच खेळपाक पावलो ना. आर्सेनलाक खेळटना रिकेट्सान 2 फावट युवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशन कप जिखला. थंयच्यान तो टॉटनहॅमाक गेलो पूण नेमको मॅनेजर ग्लेन हॉडलान टॉटनहॅम सोडिल्ल्यान रिकेट्साच्या करियराकूच अवदसा लागली. तो सध्या देंबो क्लबाच्या शिबिरांत खेळटा. देंबोची ऑफर मानवली जाल्यार रिकेट्साचो आय लिगात खेळ पळोवंक मेळटलो.
What's it like for you? I mean, because tell us your journey from Arsenal. You went to Tottenham, then to Wolves. You've chopped and changed with a lot of clubs. Why has that been? Why have you not wanted to stay with one club for a longer time?
I was with Arsenal 8 years. This is a long time, or is it a short time? Yes, I was with Arsenal for 8 years. I was with Tottenham for 3 years, so this is a long time. So I was with Wolves for 2 years. This is a good time. Then I signed 2 years with Barnsley, and I stayed for half of it. Then I went to Toronto FC. I stayed 2 years. So I was with teams for a long time, but not like 4 or 5 years with different teams. And then the thing about it is in football, managers change. So sometimes when managers change, your fortunes can change. When I was at Tottenham, Glenn Hoddle signed me from Arsenal. I was playing, I won Premier League Player of the Month, I was on the verge of the England squad and everything was going great. Manager change, I'm out the team, different philosophy, different ideas, no more passing, longer ball. So then, for example, I'm out the team. So this sometimes can affect you. And then I went to play in Germany and the same in every club I've went to. Any time I've left, most of the time it's because the coach has changed and then because the type of player I'm a technical player, passing, dribbling, shooting. So if a coach is not into that type of player and that style of player, maybe he wants a bigger player. And then sometimes you can be a victim of the change of management. But I'm always positive and I always go and move on to the next.
Could we also say that this hampered your England career at one point of time because you were a regular with the England squad at the underage level?
Yeah, definitely. I started playing for England at under 18 level. I was at Arsenal. At Arsenal I won everything possible to win and then played for the first team and everything was going amazingly well. Then I was signed to Tottenham with the rivals because I thought I would have a better chance of playing more games. And that was right, but the manager at the time, Glenn Hoddle, who he kind of was responsible for everything I have, I think, to this point, because in life, like yourself, like anybody, you need an opportunity to display your talents. Glenn Hoddle gave me that opportunity and I respect him so much for that. But then after when he left, that was when my fortunes changed because the new manager didn't want to play me in my position, didn't play the same style, and that stopped me progressing to the England senior team because at that point I was at the under-21 squad.
England days now not on your cards anymore.
Since I've been here, I've had calls, but it's you never know. It's not that it's not on my cards. I'm just dealing with here and now. So my main priority now is to discuss, see if we can reach a fair agreement for what my worth is, and if we can reach this agreement, then it's for me to play well to help the team to keep the title, and then anything that happens from me playing well, from Dempo playing well, I don't even know. We can't see so far into the future, so I just really want to focus on that. And if I go back, I'm 29, so if I end up going back to England one day, because I did well in the I-League, this helps the I-League. So I'm looking at it from not just me, you know. Obviously I want to get what I'm worth, but then also I want Dempo to benefit, I-League. Like I said, I want it to be something, when I look back, I was part of the evolution of Indian football.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसात जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.